Attention, standards. Attention, join hands for prayer.
You are my strength when I am weak. You are the treasure that I seek. You are my all in all. Seeking you as a precious jewel, Lord, to give up I'll be a fool. You are my all in all. When I fall down, you pick me up. When I am dry, you fill my cup. You are my all in all. Jesus, Lamb of God, worthy is your name. Jesus, Lamb of God, worthy is your name. Worthy is your name.
Stretch your arm forward for pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Thought for the day. Life and time are the world's best teachers. Life teaches us to make good use of time, and time teaches us the value of life. These are the famous words of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So, always find the time for the things that makes you feel happy to be alive. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Ashna PS, student of grade 8B. Today, I am here to present before you the two GK questions. So, the question number 1. Justice Hima Kohli has become the first woman Chief Justice of which state High Court? I repeat, Justice Hima Kohli has become the first woman Chief Justice of which state High Court? So the answer is Telangana. I repeat, Telangana. The question number 2. Which state government have decided to start the world's largest floating solar project by 2023? I repeat, which state government have decided to start the world's largest floating solar project by 2023? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a fruitful day.
Hi friends, my name is Lily Teresa. Today I'm going to tell you about the sweetest day of the year. Do you know which is the sweet thing I'm going to tell you about right now? Let me give you a hint by telling its merits. It helps you avoid get sunburn. It helps to get a better blood circulation and keeps you in a better mood. It is chocolate. Yes friends, today I'm going to tell you about International Chocolate Day. International Chocolate Day is held on 13th of September. It was first celebrated in the year 2009. International Chocolate Day is a day to commemorate the introduction of chocolate in Europe in 1550. People celebrate this day by indulging in their favorite chocolate and sharing them with their families, friends and loved ones. Thank you and have a nice day.
Attention, standards. Attention, Lord stand up.
Amidst the halls of Lord's Academy, with the children unite in one voice, to sing aloud in praises, to follow our alma mater, along the paths of virtue, to love, to learn, to live, to love, to learn, to live. Lord's Academy, at the seat of learning. You are a beacon light, you are a master divine. You teach us today and always to love, to learn, to love, to learn, to live. Amidst the halls of Lord's Academy, we learn to do our very best in sunshine and in rain. Trust in the ideals of our alma mater. We fly aloft the flag of our pride and bow. To love, to learn, to live. To love, to learn, to live forever long. Lord's Academy, we love and honor truth. We sing of your glory and pledge to follow the paths of virtue. To love, to learn, to live. To love, to learn, to live forever long.
Attention, stand at ease. Attention, assembly dispersed.